Okay, Wildcats. Today we're looking at activity 4.4, combining transformations of absolute value functions. When a function is transformed by changing the a or the d values or both, these changes are said to occur outside the function. These values affect the output to a function y. When the b or c values are changed, this changes the argument of the function. A change to the argument of a function is said to happen inside the function. These values affect the input of a function x. Use coordinate notation to describe how each point x, y on the graph of f of x becomes a point on the graph of g of x. The point becomes parentheses 1 divided by b times x plus c, comma, a times y plus d. Given a basic absolute value function, f of x equals the absolute value of x, consider each transformation. Describe how the transformations affected f of x. Then use coordinate notation to describe how each point x, y on the graph of f of x becomes a point on the graph of the function transformed function. Finally, sketch the graph of each new function. All right, so let's take a look. Let's go ahead and graph and get the transformation for a. So to graph this, we're going to go to Desmos. I'm going to go to Math Tools. I'm going to go to Graphing Calculator. Move that out of the way. So they're going to do 2. Now, to get the absolute value, I'm going to press this button right here, and then there, and then x minus 1. And let's start getting some points. So I can use the point 0, 2, 1, 0, and it looks like, if I keep moving, 2, 2. Okay, so 0, 2, 1, 0, and 2, 2. So 0, 2, okay, 1, 0, and 2, 2. Okay, now the graph is vertically stretched by 2, translated right 1 unit. All right, let's take a look at B. All right, so to graph that, let's delete that. I'm going to do 1 divided by 2, click to the right, absolute value, x plus 2 minus 2. Okay, and let's look at some points. That looks good. Negative 6, 0. 2, negative 2, negative 2, and 2, 0. All right, so let's go ahead and graph those points. So negative 6, 0, 1, 2, 3. Negative 2, negative 2, and 2, 0. Okay. So the graph is vertically compressed by 1/2, translated left 1 unit, and down 2 units. Okay. Oh, camera bigger there. There we go. All right. All right. So you work this, see the graph and the transformation, and then So you work this graph, table, and a transformation. Okay. All right. With that, have a wonderful Wildcat day.